Hey guys, it's Jessica. I am back in Lexington to check on this new build. This is a Landon home. It is a duet series. It's plan 417 and it has 2755 square feet. And I think they have done some paint and cabinet work. So let's go in and take a peek. Okay, so here is the entry. They are painting. We'll put a few coats on this, but last time I was here, they just installed the sheetrock, so now they have taped and bedded it and painting, and we have baseboards. So a lot of the trim work, cabinets, doors, and paint. It's gonna be a little dark because the windows are still covered up, so hopefully you can see. But yeah, we've got the trim work in, so they have painted the baseboards and the doors and working on the walls. So this is a full bath. We do have cabinets and countertops in. They are covered, so I'm going to leave them covered. They have to cover those when they paint the walls. This is the utility room. It's coming along, guys. So right across the hall is the master. We got the baseboards in. Same thing, the doors. They're starting to paint the walls. There's the bathroom. I don't want to try to take a peek at the cabinets because I can smell the paint on the walls. It is fresh, so we don't want to mess that up. The closet. We do have a built-in right there. They are working hard for you on July 4th. The windows are in. Look, you have your cabinets in the kitchen and the island. You even have railing up there. It is so coming together. This is so cool. You finally see everything. I don't want to touch too much stuff because there is wet paint everywhere. The dining room. The garage. Okay, let's go upstairs. Oh, it's so pretty. We have all the railing up. Yay. The bedroom and the bathroom. So again, we have the vanity in and some cabinets and the tub. Look down below. Painted the media room. So it looks like we have all the vanities in the bathrooms. All the railing is up. Got some shelves there in the closet. So fun guys. This is where you can finally see it all come together. Starts making sense. So nice. I'm ready for the next stage. Okay guys, so that concludes the tour for this week. A lot has been done since the last time I was here, and we still have more to go. So if y'all are watching this for the first time, my name is Jessica. I'm with the Living Well team, and if you are looking to buy or build in or around the Frisco, Texas area, I would love to help you. Just click the link below, and until then, y'all have a safe 4th, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.